Today we are going to discuss on high pressure boiler. In that we are going to study the Lamont boiler. Okay. So in the figure you can see that this is a Lamont boiler. A forced circulation boiler was introduced by 1925 by Lamont. It is a forced circulation high pressure water tube boiler. This is generally used in Europe and America. The feed water from hot well is supplied to the storage and separating drum through economizer. Second point, the most of the sensible heat is supplied to the feed water passing through the economizer. The centrifugal pump circulates the water to 8 to 10 times the weight of steam evaporated. This water is circulated through the evaporation tubes, and the part of the water evaporated is separated in the separated drum. The steam separated in the boiler further passed to the superheater and finally supplied to the prime mover. This boiler have been built to generate 45 to 50 tons of superheated steam at a pressure of 120 bar at a temperature of 500 degrees centigrade. So please draw the diagram. There are certain advantages of this boiler. The advantage of this boiler is that it is flexible, compact and small size of drum. But the disadvantage of this boiler is the formation of the bubbles on inner surface of the tube reduces heat transfer and steam generation rate, as it offers high thermal resistance than water film. Now we study the Benson boiler. The main difficulty experienced in the Lamont boiler is the formation of attachment of bubbles on the inner surface of the heating tubes. The attached bubbles to the tubes reduces the heat flow and steam generation, as it offers high thermal resistance than water film. Basically, at the critical pressure, the water and steam have the same density and no bubbles are formed. Further, at critical pressure, the enthalpy of evaporation is 0. The water gets converted into steam directly without passing through the evaporation process. So there are certain features of Benson boilers. Is that there are no drums. The total weight of Benson boiler is 20% less than the boiler. This also reduces the cost of the boiler. As no drum is required, the transfer of the Benson part is easy. Majority of the parts may be carried to the side without pre-assembly. Since no drum is used, this is a once-through boiler, and the feed water entering at one end is discharged as superheated steam at the other end. So this is all about the Benson boiler. There are certain advantages of Benson boiler. As there are no drums, the weight of the boiler is 20% less than the other boilers. So this is the advantage of this boiler.